Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation x squared minus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. Our job is to find the value of x minus 2 whole to the power 48 plus x minus 3 whole to the power 48. So let's start. We start from this equation. The equation is x squared minus 5 times x plus 7 equal to 0. We subtract 1 from both sides. So this will become x squared minus 5 times x plus 6 equal to negative 1. Now this expression at the left hand side is factorable. We write this x squared and we break this negative 5x into two terms, negative 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 6 equal to negative 1. From these two terms we can factor out x in bracket left x minus 2, and from these two terms we can factor out negative 3 in bracket left x minus 2 equal to negative 1. Now this x minus 2 is a common factor, so we factor out this x minus 2, and in bracket left x minus 3 equal to negative 1. Now we suppose that let a is equal to this expression x minus 2 and b is equal to this expression x minus 3. Since we have to find the value of x minus 2 whole to the power 48 plus x minus 3 whole to the power 48. We have to find the value of x minus 2 whole to the power 48 plus x minus 3 whole to the power 48, which means that now we have to find the value of a to the power 48 plus b to the power 48. Now if we substitute a and b in this equation will become a times b equal to negative 1. Let's call this equation number 1. And from this equation, if we subtract this equation, we get another equation a minus b equal to x minus 2 minus x minus 3. Further simplify, this will become a minus b equal to x minus 2 minus x plus 3. And this negative x will be cancelled out with this positive x. We are left with a minus b equal to 3 minus 2, 1. Let's call this equation number 2. And we copy this equation 1, a times b equal to negative 1, a times b equal to negative 1. This is equation number 1. Now we square both sides of this equation number 2, so this will become a minus b whole squared equal to 1 squared. This a minus b whole squared will become a squared plus b squared minus 2ab equal to 1 squared is 1. Next, a squared plus b squared minus 2 times we replace this ab with this value negative 1 from equation 1, negative 1 equal to 1, and this will become a squared plus b squared. Negative 2 times negative 1 will become plus 2 equal to 1, and we subtract 2 from both sides, so this get cancelled and we are left with a squared plus b squared equal to 1 minus 2 negative 1. We remember this equation a times b is equal to negative 1, a times b equal to negative 1. equal to 1 minus 2 negative 1. And remember this equation, AB is equal to negative 1. A times B equal to negative 1. We square again both sides of this equation. So this will become a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8 plus 2 times this a to the power 4 times b to the power 4 will become a times b whole to the power 4 equal to negative 1 squared is 1. We replace this ab with this value negative 1, so this will become a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8 plus 2 times ab is negative 1 and negative 1 to the power 4 will become positive 1 equal to 1. We subtract 2 from both sides, so this get cancelled and we get the value of a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8 equal to negative 1. Remember this equation, a times b is equal to negative 1. We square again both sides of this equation. So now this will become a to the power 16 plus b to the power 16 plus 2 times a times b whole to the power 8 equal to negative 1 squared is positive 1, and we replace this ab with this negative 1, so this will become a to the power 16 plus b to the power 16 plus 2 times ab is negative 1 and negative 1 to the power 8 will become 1 equal to 1. We subtract 2 from both sides, so this get cancelled and we get the value of a to the power 16 plus b to the power 16 equal to negative 1. And we remember this equation, a times b equal to negative 1. Since we have to find the value of a to the power 48 plus b to the power 48, so from this equation we take a cube of both sides. This will become a to the power 16 plus b to the power 16 equal to negative 1, and we take a cube of both sides. By using this algebraic identity, x plus y whole cubed equal to x cubed plus y cubed plus 3 times xy times x plus y. This expression at the left hand side will become a to the power 48 plus b to the power 48 plus 3 times a b whole to the power 16 times a to the power 16 plus b to the power 16 equal to negative 1 cubed is negative 1. Now we replace this a times b with this negative 1, and we replace this a to the power 16 plus b to the power 16 with this negative 1. So this will become a to the power 48 plus b to the power 48 plus 3 times negative 1 to the power 16 times negative 1 equal to negative 1. Next, a to the power 48 plus b to the power 48. This negative 1 to the power 16 is positive 1, so 3 times negative 1 will become negative 3 equal to negative 1, and we add 3 to both sides, so this negative 3 will be cancelled with this positive 3. We get the value of a to the power 48 plus b to the power 48 equal to 2. So the given expression x minus 2 whole to the power 48 plus x minus 3 whole to the power 48 is equal to 2.